And what is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. So we're going to run my 1998 Kirby Generation 5. This machine ain't been ran in quite a while, so... That car is actually looking pretty good today. Ain't running too bad. Ain't been around for a while, but thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Before I go, I always want to remind you, Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day.